Welcome! In front of me I have COLMI V31 watch, and I'm gonna show you how to measure the heart rate on this device. Before we start, a quick disclaimer. If you want to get the most accurate results of your measurements, make sure to put your watch on your wrist, secure it tightly so it doesn't move around, and while you're measuring your heart rate, try to keep still, don't move around too much. I'm just gonna put my finger on the sensor right here, but because of that, my results might be not too accurate. Okay, so let's continue with the measurement. First thing you will need to do is to wake up the screen on your watch, and you can do it by pressing the side button. After you wake up the screen, swipe upwards from the bottom of the screen to open the menu. And in this menu, tap on the HR icon, heart rate. The watch should start measuring the heart rate automatically. So let's wait. And after a couple of seconds, the watch will vibrate and show you the result of your measurements. So here we have it. And once you're done, you can press the side button to go back to watch face. And that's how you measure the heart rate on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.